another video. Today I'm taking my daughter to look at some apartments. I'm gonna show y'all as we go. Alright, let's go. Alright, we doing the tour of an apartment. These are the stairs so far, y'all. Alright, this the front door, y'all. Let me see. Closet. Alright, this is the first room, y'all. We got the closet over here. It's pretty big. Alright, I guess this is the living room. There's no lights. Oh, they got a closet over here. That's the thermostat, y'all. Closet. I guess this the... Well, they got the furnace and stuff in here. This is a big closet here.
You ready to see this?
Alright, here's another room in here, y'all.
Look, that don't stop moving. You see all these rooms, girl?
So yeah, this the closet right here. They don't have no lights on in here right now, y'all.
Dude, yeah, you see all this space, dude? I gotta give you some. My bad. You just walked in. Shit. I don't like this, though.
So yeah, that's room.
Space in here. Did you come all back here?
Not yet.
They got the,
It's another, oh here, this the kitchen.
yeah. They come with a fridge.
Alright, this the kitchen, y'all. It's got some nice cabinet space.
You see that, babe?
I can't open it. They painted it shut.
Can you stop?
Alright, it's the stove. The sink. I don't too much care for that cabinet over here, but we can do something to that. It's a refrigerator. That need to be cleaned. That don't look bad. It's the bathroom, y'all. They got the old-fashioned tub. We need some cleaning up in here. All right, this the bathroom, the sink, the toilet. And then this is the other room again. All right, that's the front door. This is the living room. The closet. They got the furnace in there. It's the hallway.
I just don't really like that that room is in the front of the house.
Well, that's how mine is too. Here's another room, y'all. This is a closet. I already know how this could be set up. There's a thermostat right here.
Well, why you got me trying to get me out the same type of stove?
I'll teach you how to use it. She don't like the stove, y'all. Don't bother it. The gas ain't on. You gotta pay for that? Or didn't they say they paid for it here?
I don't remember. I was at so many places. Okay, let's see if there's any signs of mold. We don't gotta check for everything. Because my man's like it, you like it, it's down the street.
That's the floors. You got the cheap
If I really get fired, my
tile.
mama let me use her car for instance.
I didn't say that, y'all. She's making up.
That's what I'll be worried about, getting fired.
Yeah, so this is the bathroom again. It needs some cleaning up in here. But it's cool, I guess. Hey, y'all.
I want to call my friend, but she's getting on my nerves. I thought she's gonna be negative.
No, just when if you get it, you get it.
Be like, look at this. Oh look, I can fit it.
Is it a light in here?
No.
It's not a light in that closet? Oh.
There's a breaker right here.
Oh, we don't need to bother that.
Yes, I am. You pissing me off. So I have to turn the game off. What is this? So this the guest room?
That's how many rooms?
2 bedrooms.
Oh, but that's one room.
This could be a bedroom. I got no door.
And this is the living room.
A lot of room. I don't think nobody's staying in the building for it. You don't hear anything.
Cause they
You don't see anybody's car. And all the doors have locks on them.
They
they're
do?
all available.
huh.
Shoot, I'm not gonna be like, can I get the second unit? I want to be on the first floor then.
How many units did they say they had available?
I think it's, well, I don't know how many they said available. There's 4 units here. This one is definitely bigger than that other one. Definitely, you can tell. I mean, this can always go down. I
Yeah.
can do these.
Don't bother.
I'm trying to see how it's gonna look. I'm gonna make the
They got paint spots on the
bed
floor
can be right
though.
here. Alright, the bed can be right, because the bed can be like this. I've always wanted to have a bed like this.
In front of the window?
I don't care about that whole part.
No, I'm asking you. That's how you would want it. It probably would be too big though
That's
if
what
you
I'm saying.
put a bed right here. You'll probably have to put the bed. Let's see. Maybe here? I don't know, y'all. Leave a comment down below, y'all. What would you do with this room?
And, okay, we don't
And
see-
then that's the
you
front
look at
door.
the ceiling, you don't see no weird, dude. Trying to make sure you don't mold. Shit. Okay, a bug. We have a bug. But these
That's a
tiles
spider.
look good.
It's a spider.
They look like they fresh though, so now. I love this place. Oh my God.
You like it?
Yeah. It's only the first one I've seen them saying it though. We should see if we can get another tour today. Somewhere. Come on.
We just doing more walkthroughs. That's the kitchen again. It already come with a stove and refrigerator though too.
And it's a new fridge. You open it up because some places you give you
Yeah, that looks very clean.
like, okay.